how to tag everyone on Facebook. So let's get started. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is create a new post or simply post anything in order to tag anybody. So here we are tapping on the photo icon available there, or simply the what's on your mind option available there. Now once you have tapped on, all you have to do is enter anything. Like here I'm writing hi and include @ and make sure to write everyone. What happens is this will tag everyone on your Facebook. Now press enter and also make sure that your post is public. So now after all this, simply post it. Tap on the share option available in the top right corner of your screen and post it on your Facebook page. Now once the post is completed sharing, now all you have to do is go to the comment section of the post you have just made. Go to the comment section, and in comment section all you have to do is write down the @followers. Once you write down the @followers, Facebook will mention each one person who has followed you on Facebook and it will be tagged to them. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.